What was or is your dream job?
I'm doing it. That's it. I'm doing it.
If you've never worked for a family company before, it's a lovely place to be. With all the history, the company's been going for 11 years, and all the family values we stand for, which is really nice. We're a friendly team. Every day's different. You're certainly never bored in this job at all. Time flies by, and it is very rewarding.
Well looked after. Lee, the boss, he's always there to have a chat with if you've got problems. And yeah, all the lads and the office staff are great to work with.